Discover the Nike Air Max Premium Black Metallic Rose Gold Laser Orange, a standout modern take on the iconic Air Max Plus. Built on its classic 1998 tuned Air heritage, this pair delivers a sleek, streamlined silhouette packed with premium depth. Its upper features layered black synthetic textures, wave-like panels, and crisp resin ribs that create a strong 3D look. A vibrant laser orange swoosh pops sharply against the dark base, while the metallic rose gold air unit adds a subtle, luxurious glow with visible air bubbles for that signature cushioning. Laser orange accents on the outsole create eye-catching contrast, and the retro TN Air logos on the tongue, insole, and heel badge highlight its lineage. This colorway masterfully blends boldness and sophistication, perfect for viewers who want a sneaker that brings power, detail, and street style without being overly flashy. If you're into unique materials and premium finishes, this Air Max delivers major style energy.